Thanks for coming, Chrisna. I really appreciate that, baby.
I did that because I love you, honey.
Okay, thanks for telling me this, baby. You are the only one that I love.
Oh. Really? You are the only one that I love too, baby.
Thank you for telling me this.
You deserve it, baby. You are so good to me.
Oh, my head. Oh my God. I don't feel okay.
Hey, Ronald. What is the matter with you? Talk to me.
It's okay, baby. Don't worry. I'll be fine in a few minutes.
I hope so, but I think you should go to see a doctor.
A doctor? Ha 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 ha. Are you kidding? You make me laughing. For a headache, you want me to go to the hospital?
Ronald. Stop acting like a teenager. You are a man, you should know that.
I know, I am a man. That's for the reason why that I love you.
Oh. My goodness.
Do you have something to eat?
Not really, baby. What we gonna do now?
I think we should go to a good restaurant right away.
This is such nice idea, baby.
Okay. Let's go.